Okay, so now we're going to write our method for Unshift. And this is what Unshift is going to look like. We're going to create a new node. We're going to want to have that new node point to the first node in the linked list. In other words, we're going to set it equal to head. We have head set equal to the new node, and that adds it into the list. So you could have a linked list with some items in it like this, or the linked list could be empty, in which case you're just going to set head and tail equal to the new node. So if you're going to code this, go ahead and pause this here. Otherwise, I'm going to jump into the code. So we're going to start it out like this. It's Unshift. We're going to pass it a value. And the first step with Unshift is that we need to create that node. So let's do this, and that'll create that new node that we're going to use. And as always, when we're going to add a node to anything, we want to start with this situation where we have whatever data structure is empty. So we're going to say if head is null with that exclamation point, we're going to have this.head equal new node, and now head is pointing to the new node. And then this.tail equals new node. Now they both point to the new node. So let's put this if statement in with the rest of our code and have a look at that. This is what we have so far. So our other option is that we are putting this into a linked list that already has items. So we're going to say else, and let's build out this else statement like this. Else new node.next equals this.head. And that does this, points that at that first item in the linked list. We'll say this.head equals new node. That moves that over and adds that into the list. So that's everything for our else statement. And let's put this in with the rest of our code like this. Only things left to do are to increase the length by 1 and then return the entire linked list. So we'll look at this code in just a second in Chrome DevTools. And when we go over to DevTools, we're going to create this linked list. Then I'm going to do an unshift with the number 4 and add that into the list. So let's flip over to DevTools and have a look at that. Okay, so there is our unshift method. And this is going to create the linked list that I just showed in the diagram. Let's run this. And that's going to create the linked list with a length of 4. Okay, so let's open this up. And we have a linked list with head pointing to 11 and a length of 4. So I'm going to clear this. And then I'm going to run unshift with the number 4 like that. And we press enter. And now our linked list has a head with the value of 4. That's the item that we just unshifted on to the linked list. And the length has been increased to 5. And that is our method for unshift.